It was February 2009 when I first landed in Melbourne, Australia, exactly 15 years ago, and as an international student. So I was just 20 years old by that time, coming from Sri Lanka, and it was my very first flight out of the country, and I was the very first in my family to take an international flight as well. So the emotions were very complex, and I was very nervous. Also, I was excited to see the other side of the world. And long story short, fast forward to 15 years, and here I am again at my university. So my name is Lasantha Jayawardena, and here is my story of the past 15 years, how I started as a 20-year-old international student to my current professional career working for top companies in Australia and outside, as a corporate professional, also helping students as a university lecturer, mentor, and as well as an entrepreneur. So I had no family or friends in Australia when I first landed here, but my hope for a better future kept me going. So although I faced challenges, I faced them very strong. As a student, I worked different roles like gardening, helping in kitchens, delivering pizzas, to cleaning and helping in supermarkets. But each job helped me to build my character and strengthen my determination. So fast forward 15 years, and I've learned a lot. And I went from being an international student to a respected professional in the corporate world in Australia and outside. Especially in sectors like banking and finance, government and defense, telecommunication and education. So I have these humble beginnings of starting just by earning $5 delivering pizzas as a student, and transitioning into a senior positions like a business analyst, project manager, technical consultant, also embracing the life of an entrepreneur. So my journey did not stop at my own success, but it continued as I began mentoring others, especially when I committed to helping students from all around the world who want to study abroad, not only specifically in Australia, but also in places like the UK, Canada, the US, Germany, and many parts of the world. So as these students transition from their schools or higher education institutes to universities and to their careers, I've been always helping them with finding future-proof careers, best universities, best courses, submitting their applications, visas, and many more. Also, I offer them help with their career guidance, resume reviewing, and even help them finding corporate sector jobs at top companies. So here's what I always tell them: dream big and go after your dreams with energy. But when you do so, choose your advisors very carefully. Look at their track record, their credentials, and their real world experience, because quality guidance is really important and crucial for your success. So with this video, I invite you to join my 15-year journey. Whether you are just starting, in the middle, or ready to take your next big step, I'm here to help and share what I've learned. So let's work together on your success, and I look forward to sharing all my experience. So stay tuned for more tips and insights, and we can turn your dreams into a reality. So I'm so excited to share more with you very soon, and I invite you to stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.